how's it going everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how you can convert video to MP3 on iPhone. It's also very easy to do, so let's get straight in. In this video, we'll be using VEED's free online video converter to make this happen. You can click on the first link in the description to get to the page, or you can open the internet browser on your phone and search for VEED's video converter in the search engine. Once you're on the page, click on the Convert Your File button to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to upload the video file from your iPhone you would like to convert into an MP3 file. Simply click on the video you would like to convert and click on Choose in the bottom right corner to continue. After a moment, the video is imported and you can choose the file type you want to convert to. In this case, we want to convert to MP3, so we're gonna head over to the Audio tab in the menu and select MP3. Then all you need to do is click on the Convert button on the bottom to start converting your video to MP3 on your iPhone. You can click on the Download button to download the MP3 file. You can find it back in the Downloads folder of your browser. So when you head over there and select the file, you can click on the Share button in the left bottom corner and easily share the MP3 file or save it on your iPhone. So that's how you convert video to MP3 on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. For now, thank you so much for watching, good luck, and see you next time.